Hello everyone, my name is Nick and I'm going to explain you the hanging rootogram chart. This chart is basically used to compare the expected values and the observed values based on the normal distributions. We can use this chart in real life in many different ways. Like we can use this chart for education purpose, for the experimental purpose, in the healthcare units, basically for the clinical trials as well. We can use this for quality controls in manufacturing units to check the defect rates based on the observed and expected values, and statistical analysis as well to test the goodness of the fit test, chi-square test. Let me explain this chart, and firstly I'm going to put some data into it, and let's see. Category, we have employees, we can put this, and firstly I have to put the license into it, then logo will remove from this, and these are the features we will get in the developer mode, and this is the height, this is the actual heights, we can change the color as well, and this is the features that we have created. We have different chart. We can manipulate the x-axis. We can manipulate the observed data. We can manipulate the expected data. We can manipulate the legends as well. This is the expected one, and this is the observed one. We can have circle. We can have star into it, and we have the both core expected and the observed. So basically, these bar tell us the difference between the observed and expected based on the normal distributions. So we have two measurements of height, that is normal heights and the actual heights. So normal height will tell us the difference between the observed and the expected. But the actual one is based on the height of the observed and the normal distributed value of the expected value. So this is the chart and these are the features. Thank you.